Welcome to my channel Syndicate Academy of English Language. Today we are going to do a different session in speaking, right? Today one by one you will come here and you will read one article of Times of India. If you can tell the meaning, you can tell the meaning. If you can't tell the meaning, then read only in one flow, because it is regarded कि readers are always good leaders, and if you are reading regularly, then day by day you are being a leader, right? So that's why this is very good session और बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो होने वाला ये वाला है. So please make a pin drop silence and listen very carefully. One by one you will come. So Ritik, first you read this article and tell the meaning if you can tell. If you can't tell the meaning, then only you can read in a one flow, because readers are always great leaders.
My article is Long Journey. Understand our true purpose in life entails that we understand the self, our tendencies, which are at the heart of our everything that takes us from one human role to another, or to our different life scenarios. For a soul, we have on a long journey, a journey that has made us who we are and that holds the promise who we can be.
Can you tell the meaning of it?
We understand our true purpose in our life. हमें अपनी ज़िंदगी में अपना असली मतलब समझ लेना चाहिए, पर्पस समझ लेना चाहिए. We should understand the self. हमें अपने आप को समझ लेना चाहिए. Our tendencies, हमारी tendencies को, which are at the heart.
टेंडेंसीज कहते हैं कि हमारा किस ओर झुकाव है, ये भी हमें समझ लेना चाहिए, राइट?
Which are at heart of everything. That takes from one human role, जो हमें अपने एक ह्यूमन रोल से दूसरे ह्यूमन रोल में ले जाता है, और टू अवर डिफरेंट लाइफ सिनेरियोज, या हमारी ज़िंदगी के दूसरे बढ़ाव चढ़ाव में. फॉर ए सोल की तरह, वी हैव ऑन अ लॉन्ग जर्नी, वी आर ऑन अ लॉन्ग जर्नी, हम एक लंबे सफ़र पे हैं. अ जर्नी दैट हैज़ मेड अस हु वी आर, एक ऐसी जर्नी जिसने हमें वो बनाया जो कि हम हैं अभी. एंड that holds the promises who we can be, और उसमें ये भी promises हैं कि हम कौन बन सकते हैं.
Okay, very good, very nicely you have spoken and you have explained the meaning. Now you can come. Sanjay, first of all you come on now. You can, first of all you can speak a very sweet good morning to all of you, and I am going to read one article of Times of India, so please listen very carefully.
I am going to read one article of Times of India. A sinking valley across Uttarakhand. This is proving to be one of the deadliest monsoon in Uttarakhand, with more than 75 people killed in natural disasters since the rain started 2 months ago. Over 80% of them have died in landslide. The Geological Survey of India says 72% of Uttarakhand, nearly 39,000 square kilometer area, is landslide prone. ISRO's landslide atlas of India also says Uttarakhand had the second highest number of landslide, 11,219 to Mizoram's and 12,385 between 1988 and 2022. When it comes to district, Rudraprayag and Tehri in Uttarakhand Garhwal region are the most landslide prone in India. Tehri alone has 96 of the 333 landslide prone danger zones identified in the state.
Okay, very good, very nicely. Very sweet good morning. First of all speak very sweet good morning.
Very sweet good morning
to all of you, and respected sir.
And respected sir.
I am going to read one article of Times of India, so please listen carefully.
Being feelings great. Every thought we create is angry, and it produces its own currents, whatever negative or positive. In cuteness, I step inside and connect to my original qualities of peace, and I establish myself in the thought of that original peace. Then slowly I begin to feel great, and I am released from burn and fear.
Okay, very good boy, very well spoken. Now Vaishnavi, you come on now. First of all, same dialogues you can speak, because reading increases your vocabulary, reading makes confidence in you, you can speak better, right? First of all speak very sweet good morning.
Very sweet good morning to all of you, and respected sir. I am going to read one article of Times of India, so please listen carefully. However, it is the mind that stops us from doing wrong only because it knows that what wrong is and at the same time. It is the mind alone that sometimes makes us choose and do wrong despite knowing it is wrong. This can be a never-ending struggle that the mind goes through, and it is not always possible to silence it permanently.
Okay, very good. Very nicely you spoken. Now, Varsha, you come on now. Right. First of all, also you should speak very sweet good morning to all of you.
Very sweet good morning to all of you and respected sir. I am reading to one article of Times of India.
So please listen very carefully.
So please listen very carefully.
Yeah, read now. Read aloud. Aloud means you should raise your volume in speaking. Tej.
Moon is the storehouse of Soma life. Soma is the juice of life believed to be started between the moon and Shiva as some.
इसमें एक वर्ड यूज हुआ है कि सोमा. सोमा इज़ अ हिंदी वर्ड, आई डोंट नो, बट द मीनिंग इसका ये है कि जूस ऑफ लाइफ. तो कहते हैं कि इसका टाइटल जो है कि मून इज़ द स्टोर हाउस ऑफ सोमा. सोमा कहते हैं लाइफ यानी जूस ऑफ लाइफ, यानी मून पे ज़िंदगी जो है वो भरमार है, उसका जूस वहाँ पर है. राइट. ओके, रीड.
Is protector and life giver and also destroyer. He presides over the powers of the moon, the so-called energies of Soma coming from his divinity as the Lord of beginning and ends a cycle of life and death is perpetual. Shiva is also time, so he controls and waxing and waning phases of the moon. He is also called Chandrasekhar, as its most popular Hindu name is Chandra.
Okay, very nice. You have spoken. Go now. Varsha, you come on now. You speak. First of all, you would like to repeat that same dialogues ki very sweet good morning to all of you.
Good morning to all of you and respected sir. I am going to read one article of Times of India. So listen carefully.
Yes.
Our mandate. So when we understand our deeply embedded tendencies, our default patterns, we also understand the real purpose of life. We understand our karmic mandate, which is based on what kind of psychological and karmic patterns from the past we carry into our present.
Okay, very good. Now, come on, boy. You can read one article, whatever you want to read. First of all, you can also speak a very sweet good morning to all of you. And I am going to read one article of Times of India.
Very
Speak.
sweet good morning to all of you. My name is Ashish Saxena and today I am going to read one article of Times of India.
Yes.
In July 1980, ISRO had a breakout moment. SLV-3 was successfully launched, making India only the 6th country to master a satellite launch vehicle. That project's director APJ Abdul Kalam soon moved to DRDO to develop the missile program. It did well, but the contrast today between ISRO and DRDO is stark. The former is feted while the latter is criticized for the inefficiency. Last year, a CAG edit highlighted the many delays in DRDO priority projects. DRDO has often been helmed by people with a credible track record such as Kalam or the physicist Raja Raman, who oversaw records such as who oversaw the
Okay,
design
boy.
of
Itna Randirji. Yes, right. Okay, go, boy. Sit down. Ajo, boy. Come on now. You read. First, you can speak also very sweet good morning to all of you.
Good morning, practice sir. I one article in
I am going to read one article.
One article of Times of India.
Yes.
Yes, there is a word in a Bengal that was in transferred with the post and organization. That word in something mind activity in some and ideas and 6 classes of the activities.
Okay, very nice. Go, boy. Sit down. So, okay, very nicely you have read this article, and when you are going to read any article, first of all, you should focus on that article. It is regarded that if you are good readers, then 101% you are good leaders. All the readers are good leaders. and all the good leaders, they are good readers. So that's why you should develop reading habit, because reading is a good quality. Reading removes all the rough material from your brain and inculcates कहते हैं दिमाग की गहराइयों में बिठा देता है what good things, good knowledge, good thoughts, all the ingredients to make your life better. That's why reading is a very good habit, and you should develop this habit in your personality. If you can develop this habit in your personality, within 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, you can change your life. You would be standing better position as you are standing today. 101% you would be standing. So okay, thank you very much and God bless you to all.